In this video, you'll learn how to combine shipping on eBay when a customer orders multiple items. This process not only helps reduce shipping costs, but also enhances customer satisfaction by providing transparent pricing. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once you are logged in, locate the orders section, which can usually be found in the main menu. Here, you will see a list of recent orders. Identify the buyer who has purchased multiple items from your listings. It is important to check that all items are eligible for combined shipping before proceeding. Take a moment to review the weight and size of each item that the buyer has ordered. This assessment is crucial for ensuring that items can be packed together efficiently. Combining orders not only reduces the overall shipping cost for the buyer, but also helps in managing your shipping logistics effectively. Confirm the order details carefully to avoid any errors. Next, pack all purchased items together into one secure package. It is essential to calculate the total shipping cost based on the combined weight and dimensions of the package. If the buyer has not paid yet, you will need to send a combined invoice that includes the updated shipping charges. This invoice should reflect the reduced shipping cost accurately, as buyers appreciate fair shipping fees. After you've sent the invoice, ensure that the buyer has completed the payment. Once payment is confirmed, you can purchase or arrange for the shipping label. Add the tracking number to the order in your eBay account. It is important to double check that the shipment details are correct before dispatching the package to avoid any complications. Finally, notify the buyer that their items have been shipped together. Combining shipping not only saves time and money, but also improves your overall order management. Efficient handling of orders can lead to happy customers who are more likely to leave positive feedback for your services. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.